From location to time. The many uses of in. It's a tiny little word, but we'd be lost without it. To express location. I'm sitting in the car. The speaker is inside the car. She's cooking in the kitchen. The person is inside the kitchen. We're staying in London. The speakers are located in the City of London. To express time. I'll see you in an hour. The meeting will take place 1 hour from now. She'll be back in a week. The person will return 1 week from now. We're going on holiday in June. The holiday will take place in the month of June. To express a state or condition. She's in a good mood today. The person is currently in a good mood. I'm in a hurry. The speaker is currently in a rush. We're in trouble. The speakers are currently in a difficult or problematic situation. Have a look at the following questions. Can you identify when you should use in the, in an, or in a? Where is the cat? It's kitchen. When will the meeting take place? It will take place hour. How is she feeling today? She's good mood today. Why are you in a hurry? I'm hurry because I have a lot to do. Where are you staying? We're staying hotel. When will he be back? He'll be back week. Where is he sitting? He's sitting chair. When are you going on holiday? We're going on holiday July. Why are you in trouble? We're trouble because we didn't do our homework. The answers of the last two questions are slightly different. Do you know why?